What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Tuning in for another video. Yes, indeed. The mighty Emma about to come home, man. She finna come home, man. The mighty Emma, that's what I call her. The mighty Emma gonna have a new sound, man. I'm ready to hear it. I know wife ready to hear it. We're gonna catch her first reaction on camera, and then y'all gonna get to hear it. Y'all gonna get to hear it, cause wife is probably gonna put it on her Facebook, man. She be uploading more on Facebook. Jesse said it'll be ready here in about an hour. Said evening time, so we're gonna go ahead and pick the mighty Emma up, man. She wrapping, she getting about wrapped up. Only thing she lacking now is the transmission and the stall converter. Which y'all know I got stall converter upstairs, and I talked to my fam DJ. He said her transmission should be done this week. So hopefully we can get that and get it installed. Then her car will move like it really supposed to move, man. Y'all will see how much of a difference a converter make. So I'm ready to pick this up. I really want to hear it, man, cause it been some one chambers on a small block. Been a minute since I heard it, man. So, like I said, she gonna have 3-inch exhaust, X pipe, and turn downs with Flowmaster Super 10 mufflers. The newer ones, the black ones, not the regular gray stainless kind from back in the day. That's what I used to have. But she finna have some single chambers. I told her this over here finna be loud. It about to be loud, man. I wanted to wait till we get to the house, but we might gonna crank it up over there, kill her first reaction car. I know she gonna want to drive it back, man. That's her car. She gonna want to drive it back. But then we get to the house, man, we're gonna do a more formal walk around, let that thing idle and get the exhaust note from behind and stuff. But we're gonna kill her first reaction, man. We're gonna catch her first reaction. So we're gonna get ready. We gotta go get some gas first and foremost. I told her we gotta take a gas can over there, cause y'all know last time when I drove the car and dropped it off over there, y'all already know, boy. It like been death in the valley. Death in the valley, man. But yeah, we finna get ready to head over there, take the drive over to Lawless. I'm gonna take some gas so we can make sure we get to the gas station. Then we can top her off. And shoot, man, we finna see what the mighty Emma sounding like, man. So here in a minute, y'all ought to be hearing it and seeing wifey reaction to it at the same time. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Check it in, man. The mighty Emma already out, boy. Hey, neither one of us heard it, but we're gonna kill her first reaction. But first, we got to put the gas in first. Cause y'all know she don't never want to put no gas in.
What?
Nothing. She don't never want to put no gas in. Like let me stranded the other day out driving the mighty Emma. I like to be in SOS.
Yeah, because
my nerves on high beam. Let me move y'all low some. Cause my nerves on edge, man. Ever since I broke my other camera, boy, my nerve been. I know it probably windy too, but it is what it is. The mighty Emma getting a good 93. So she make it back to the house. This car about to be so loud, man. I told her I'm more excited to hear than she is. My carpet say, on God. On God.
Really?
what I said the other day before you tripping out on. I can't remember, man. I was copying on the other day. We were tripping out on. What I said? I think I might have said, what's wrong for them grades? What you talking about? Hey, I bet some of these people be watching me don't be understanding what I'm saying because I'm from the South. I got that southern drawl. From the South. You tripping out. You be tripping out. Gotta go back to Chicago.
Yes.
Back to Chi-Town.
Y'all haven't been, you need to go.
We go to the eat.
Yeah, they got some good food there.
Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all,
For real.
my
Pizza.
first spot when I go to Chicago, soon it's mandatory when we touch down going to Giordano. It's mandatory. First spot. Going to Giordano. If we got a rental, I'm going to Giordano before we go get some gas or anything.
The best pizza.
Man, that's all so
Probably
good.
The best pizza you would take.
Yeah, that's all next level good. Oh God! Let me stop. I give a mighty Emma 5 gallons. Crazy how long it take to pour out of here, and it's all be gone just like that though. Just drink it like that. Don't take that long to burn it. Well, her car ain't that bad. Mine, Big Meats will burn it before we get out the driveway. Out the driveway, Big Meats be done burned it. Yeah. You know, this thing terrible. Yeah, the cutlet burned a lot, but you know the cutlet, but Meats got a cutlet beat. You know, I told you when I drove that time, that thing burned so much gas. I gotta drive to Summit, cause when I drive to Summit, I guarantee you, I'm not gonna make it there and back on one tank. Yeah, I ain't gonna make it. Alright, y'all, we're gonna put this up, then crank it up. Y'all gonna hear it with us. See her first reaction.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Oh God!
He told me it was gonna be loud.
Yeah, we finna see. Y'all stay tuned. Ooh, look, she got that tack. She got that tack now.
I didn't even see
Say yeah, you ain't look. You got that tack. You official. Oh, I gotta point this way. So get the top secret stuff. Hold on, let me get that thumbnail. Alright, hold on. Boom, alright. We got that thumbnail. Let me see. Oh God. Hey.
Yeah, sounds totally different, y'all.
That what you wanted?
Yeah, I did. I wanted it.
Man, this don't sound so good.
Yeah.
This mug sounds so good. This don't sound good. Man, like you got a hog in here. You got a hog. Hey, she got a hog. What you got in there? What size motor in here?
Hey.
What is it?
350.
Huh?
350.
A 350?
Yes.
Everybody say that. That's a small block 454. This mother. Woo. Hey, go hit the gas on it. Go hit the gas on it. Man, mighty Emma sounds good, bro. Good, great to the line. Yeah, hit the gas. Hit the gas. Just get up. Hit the gas. Man, hit the gas. Open it up. Hit the gas. Open it up. Just get up. Yeah, you hold it. She's scared, y'all. Yeah. Keep it pointed down, though. Don't get the hard on her.
Yeah.
Keep it pointed
Feel like this.
Emma sound good, boy. Emma sound damn
Turn
good.
down.
Yeah. Hey y'all, wifey is hitting that ML. Hey, she rolling. Look, man. I'm talking about she rolling, but them pipe got her gassed up. I'm tripping out for real. Them pipe got her gassed up, man. Look, I'm talking about she rolling. Look how fast, man. She way up there. Oh boy, them pipe got a geek. She going about 100. I'm sorry. I'm tripping out, boy. Them pipe got her geek, man. Oh boy. And I'm gonna turn y'all back on, man. She done straight this joker out, boy. She gassed up. The one timer got her gassed up. Look. I can't even catch her. I'm sorry. I'm tripping out. I can't even catch her, boy. The pipe got her gassed up. Hey, I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, man. Oh. Look, man. All right. So I just come out the highway.
Yeah.
And man, I'm gonna keep that in there. Nah, you gotta cover it up. I'm talking about man, I was crying. Y'all heard me on the clip, I was crying. Them pipe got your head all messed up.
Yeah,
See, that's why she laughing. Them pipe, I was crying, man. Y'all heard, I was laughing for real, y'all. I was really laughing. They wouldn't try to make y'all laugh. I was really tripping out. Cause them pipe, y'all, I filmed the day. I told you going about 100.
No.
She ain't never. She ain't never. I said, she said, where we going? I said, we're gonna go on the highway. I said, open it up. I didn't mean literally. She ain't never. She be scared to drive this thing. Now she got some pipe. She got some pipe in that tack right there. She all messed up. She messed up, but I was crying. I said, man, she ain't never drove the car that fast. I couldn't even keep up. You going 100 for real. You going 100. I told my see y'all seen when I filmed, she was up there and I filmed the day. I was at like 80. 85. I said she going about 100. Them pipe got you messed up. Then she let out the gas and say, blah, 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 blah. I bet she thinks she doing something. I promise, I put on everything I love. I said, I bet she really think. I said, she riding. She got these damn one time. Look, crank it up one more time. You gotta crank it up one more time before we cover it up. I said, she got these one timer, boy. Her head messed up.
Enjoying riding in the car.
Yeah. Like Corbin say, yeah, all right. hey, them pipe got her head messed up, boy. She ain't never drove that fast. No, you ain't. Man, she ain't never drove that fast. That thing was hollering. Look at that. Woo. Look at the mighty Emma, man. Good gracious. Hit the gas. Look. Listen at the mighty Emma. Hold on, let me get it from behind. Hold on. Mighty Emma. Wait, hold on. Listen at mighty Emma. Mighty Emma sound good. Alright. Man, this car sounds so good for real.
Yeah, it sounds totally.
I told y'all.
It sounds crazy how different.
I like the car. I like the way it sounded even before. The cam, man.
Yeah.
The cam profile, this joker, he'll be hidden, boy. So, I told her, Jesse said too, he said, transmission got a leak. I said, we need to go ahead and get that thing done. So, transmission and converter, then the car really gonna move. She gonna really feel the engine then. Right now, she ain't feeling it. Now, on the highway, that's why I was flying. That's why I fly on the highway, cause she done got past the converter don't matter then. So, on the highway, that joker, you can really feel the power. But from takeoff, it ain't nothing right now. Cause she need that converter. It ain't in the power band. But when she put that converter in there, watch this. She gonna be able to straight punch that car and that thing going, yeah. And the how it gonna be? He go, whoa. Y'all gonna be dizzy. My bad, I'm making y'all dizzy. Some people say it when I move the camera, they get dizzy. Anyway, So let me calm down. But that's how it gonna be. That's how it gonna be. I'm telling you. Remember what I said? Now you can go back to that clip when we put that converter in there. That nag going. Y'all heard what I said. What I said the other day on the vlog. Grew with you. Oh, I've been thinking of you, and you been thinking. See, then I mess it up. But that's what they gonna do. That thing gonna groove, boy. That thing. Yeah, man. But I'm happy for her, man. I want to hear the car. I want to hear the car more than her. She don't even believe. I want to hear that car more than her, man. That one time, but know they sound good, boy. She picked some muffler then, boy. Shout out to Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication. So, next stop, Showtime transmission rebuilds. Or if my fam DJ can't get the install done, if he too busy, cause he been busy, then I'm gonna get my boy Herb over here. I'm gonna bring the transmission home. Get my boy Herb to throw the transmission and converter in and install her new Durali transmission cooler. After that, we're going to J Hall. We're going to J Hall because I think March the 18th is that car show in Monroe, Georgia. Y'all know I was going to go last year, but then the rain messed it up. But I will be there. I told y'all, huge car show, whole downtown be shut down, man. A lot of my people that probably just recently subscribed don't know about it. But if you go back and look at my video where we covered it, whole downtown, like, it be flooded, classic cars, new car, and I'm trying to be for a big rim car in there. It ain't never been no big rim cars in there. So I'm gonna take the whole fleet out there. And it's just a good vibe, man. It's a good family atmosphere. It's a good vibe, man. Classic cars out there, all type of stuff. Last year, a year before that, I meant 2021 when we last time went. Man, it was over 400 cars in it. 400 cars. It's the whole downtown. Like, you can't even see everything. It's so many cars. They have vendors out there, arts and crafts and all that type stuff. So we will be there. March 18th, man. I'm having my banner. Life of Jmalcom Day with Kendra banner gonna be up. And we're gonna have the whole fleet out there. I'm gonna have everything out there. Only way I would not have something out there is if I be done broke some and don't have time to fix it. But other than that, everything y'all see right here will be out there at that car show. I'm about to go register all the cars right now. I'm about to register everything. So we're gonna try to pull a power move on this one, man. I'm gonna call my boy J Hall tomorrow and see if he ready. If he ready to go ahead and wet this thing up. If everything, put it like this. If DJ get finished with the transmission this week, then everything will be according to schedule. If we can get that done and get the transmission swapped in this car by the middle of next week, then I'm gonna call J Hall. If we can go straight to him, then we'll be painting in time before the car show. She got the tent before her interior right now, and then that's that. I'm telling everybody we'll be at the car. You said March 18th, ain't it?
March 18th.
March 18th. Yeah, we're going to register everything. But even if she can't get painted, Emma will be there. She ain't going to tear hers up. Now, I don't know with me. I told y'all, I'm liable to tear one of these jokers up. Because y'all know I really drive mine, but...
I don't drive mine.
Nah. The first time today is when you were flushing. I couldn't catch it. I said, I ain't going to 100. But I have everything out there. I'm finna register all 6 of them right now. We finna register, go in there and register. So if you ain't doing that, man, make some travel plan. I know some of y'all gonna come down. It's some night to check out anyway, cause it probably be 500 car this year. But come check it out, man. Monroe, Monroe, Georgia. It's Monroe, Georgia car show, man. Downtown Monroe. That's all you gotta look up. Downtown Monroe. The whole downtown be shut down. And then some. It really go beyond downtown because it done got so big. It go off on the side streets and stuff too. Because it done got huge. But it's something to enjoy, man. You bring your chairs out there. My whole family be out there. So you want to meet everybody? My in-laws be there. Probably her Aunt Emma, my family, my cousin. Like, pretty much all the people you see in the video, man, they'll probably be there. They'll probably be there. But yeah, that's it, man. They're gonna wrap it up. We finna cover Mighty Emma up. Cause she done did her damage today. She done tore up the whole highway. And I'm gonna turn y'all back on tomorrow, man. So that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.